Good morning, students. In our class 5th English, we will learn today our Unit 1's chapter. Wonderful West. Previously we had learned about a poem. Now, Unit 1's second part, this is prose. Prose means written in sentences and in paragraphs. That type of writing, composition. A wonderful West. You know that wonderful thing is different. जो देख के अच्छा लगे, wonderful is good things, but West is bad thing. And you can see how wonderful West means West. It is West also and wonderful also. So we will learn about what is wonderful West. You know that West means anything which is going less or we throw it away. So, wonderful West. A West which is very wonderful, very useful. We can use it in good manner. West can be quite useful. West can be quite useful. Find out for yourself from this story. You know, West is also useful. Whenever you use one thing, some of it gone west also. From that you can make any other things. Today here we will learn about that. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Maharaja of Travancore. Travancore was a state in British era in Kerala region. And then Maharaja, then Travancore's king, ordered a grand dinner, big dinner, for many people and celebrity people. They arranged dinner in his palace. Palace means his residence. King's residence is called palace. In Hindi we call it mahal. Palace and place both are different. Place is कोई भी जगह. Palace means mahal. So, Maharaja of Travancore had ordered a grand dinner for many peoples. In the afternoon, before the dinner, you know, we take dinner at night. And in the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Maharaja entered in the kitchen where dishes, various items were made in the kitchen for a feast. Feast means a eating program with great and large people and with great items, large items, various items. You know, feast in the general, in marriages or any big parties, people arrange feast. Feast means program of eating in a large. This is various type of. What are you going to do with those those vegetable scraps. He asked the cook. Maharaja asked the cook, "What are you going to do with that vegetable scraps?" You know, whenever you cut vegetables, your mother or your sister or your grandmother, etc., cut vegetables, some of them remains left. Here we are calling about that scrap. In the wide sense, scrap is remaining left of anything. So Maharaja asked to cook. Maharaja to cook. महाराजा ने कुक से कहा, what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. There was a basket laying near the cook. The cook replied, answered, "They are waste. They are useless. There is no use of them. We will throw them away in the garbage. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them." Maharaja told to cook, "You cannot waste all these bits and pieces. You cannot waste. You know, there were so many. There was a basket full of about 100 kilos or 200 kilos, 300 kilos. Basket was full of scraps of vegetables. Maharaja told to the cook, "You cannot throw them. Find a way to use them. You find a way to use them. All the scrap is lying there. You use it. You think about anything to use that." The Maharaja commanded sternly. Sternly means एकदम गुस्से होकर और कड़क बनके. Ordered. Maharaja, Maharaja, what type of Maharaja were that time? They were ordering strictly, and anyone who had been ordered had to follow the instructions and walked away and gone. The cook was in fix. He was perplexed and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. He was staring at vegetable scraps which was lying in the basket. Basket was full of vegetable scraps, various vegetables. Maybe when the feast is made for many people, many scrap or many leftover remains there. The basket was full of them. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. Suddenly, one idea came into his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. He took all the vegetable bits. Tukde, beet means tukde. All the bits and washed them and cleaned them. Then he cut them into long strips. Strips means 40 times. In long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. In the big pot, he put all the vegetables scrap in that pot and put them to cook. he ground some fresh coconut. Grind means daru. You know, whenever we grind our flour, wheat, etc. Here he ground some fresh coconut. He ground coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. He added this paste. You know, they were mixed. Coconut, green chilies, and garlic were ground, and their paste was made and put into the pot, and some salt was added. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. You know, when the new item was being made, and from the pot there was tempting. You know, we by smelling it, we got eager to eat it. The smell was coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He added some curd, whipped it, mixed it like paste, or he leveled it and added into curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. He added some spoonful of coconut oil. You know, we are using groundnut oil or other oils, but in Kerala, in Sri Lanka, in Tamil Nadu, people using coconut oil to cook, to eat. So he added coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves and decorated the new dish. Lo and behold, lo means look and behold, the new dish was ready, and the new dish was ready. From vegetable scraps, a brand new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. That evening, cook served this dish to all the guests. Everyone was eager to know the name of new dish. Each and everyone was eager. That do not know about that. What type of dish is this? What name is? Nothing they were knowing. So they asked cook, what is this name? The cook thought and thought. Cook thought a while. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. The new item's name was Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in the traditional Kerala feast. So Avial became very famous in Kerala, and now it is a traditional Kerala feast. One of the dish of traditional Kerala feast. Traditional Kerala feast means whenever any party, any feast, any marriage ceremony or any religious ceremony perform, this dish must be prepared, and it is tradition. You know, here we make puri or sabji or rice, dal, etc. In Kerala, people make Avial like traditional and must have dish. And imagine it all came from a basket of paste. And you imagine it. It all came from basket of that fresh vegetables. So here is Wonderful Rest is our chapter who teaches us about to reuse any leftover material or waste material. You know, there is a very scarcity in our country also, in the world also, that many things are being wasted. If we use them in proper way, it can be helpful. You look that if one thing is that it is not useful for you, but it can be useful for another person. So याद रखो कि यहाँ पे वेस्ट जो चीजें हैं उनकी बात की गई है। जो चीजें हैं वेस्ट होती हैं, उनको हम फिर से या अलग तरीके से यूज कर सकते हैं। और अगर कोई भी ऐसी चीज लगे घर में कि जो खाना हो, पानी हो, कहीं भी वाटर, फूड should not be wasted. Even our clothes, we should use them by or for other means. So thus, this our chapter teaches us about uses of wastes. Never waste anything. If something remains waste, use it for other